We're here with Philipp Reisner from Linbit at the CloudStack Collaboration Conference 2024 in Madrid, in Spain. Hi, Philipp. That's your third CloudStack Collaboration Conference, but if somebody new is watching, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit more about Linbit and why you're here?
My name is Philipp Reisner. I'm CEO of Linbit. And it's my third time here. And it's a great conference.
What is Linbit actually doing and how you engage with the CloudStack community?
So at Linbit we build storage software, or you can also call it software-defined storage. And we do it all the open source way. So it's deeply embedded or related to the Linux kernel and also to CloudStack. And as we do open source, CloudStack is open source, I would say that's a natural fit. And this is why we are here. And it's a really great ecosystem for us. And the conference is the place where we meet everyone from the ecosystem.
Although you're a commercial vendor, I know that one of your products on the storage side is open source. So why you decided to open source it?
So it's open source from the beginning. So the story is, it started as when I graduated from university. And so it's open source from the beginning. And we built a commercial business around open source, so very similar to the business model of ShapeBlue.
And what were you presenting here at the conference?
So I was primarily talking about the quorum algorithm in DBD. I mean, that's a really deep detail in the stack. But at the same time, we announced the Linbit CloudStack HCI Appliance. And I was mentioning that in my slot here. And if I may attach to that, this is a bootable ISO image you can download from our webpage. And it allows everyone to set up a CloudStack cluster in just 20 minutes. And I think this is really a great improvement for the situation for newbies coming to the CloudStack ecosystem.
Are there any specific hardware requirements for that?
It basically needs 3 nodes, 3 machines, so it doesn't work with 2, but 3 or more. And in some of the nodes, you need a few storage devices because it's about storing data. Apart from that, it is very low on hardware requirements.
And what was the main motivation to start a project like this and basically to offer a solution based on top of Apache CloudStack?
So what we do, software-defined storage, it doesn't exist in a void, right? So usually it is combined with a, let's call it workload manager. And CloudStack is exactly doing that. And CloudStack is open source, so that's the perfect fit.
What do you think about the conference and the community here?
It's my favorite conference. So I really like it. The community is great. What else?
Thank you very much for these kind words, and we really hope that we can meet you also on the next events and on the next conference.
I'm sure I will come.